guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and please give this video a big like. And also go follow my TikTok account. So I have a phone here, and I will be using this phone, and I will be looking some paper squishies, and I will be making like a 1,000 peso paper squishy bill, and I will just copy it and Google. Let's go. I type it, so time to go to images. Let me see. I want the okay one. There's a lot of money. Okay, there. So let's get some paper now. I might not like that one. Let's just get something easy. Let's go low price. So here it is. Okay, now it's time to copy it. Get some paper. Got some paper. Or I got to tell you what do we need to use. So we need paper, scissors, something to draw with, and some color materials, and I'll also use crayons. So let's get started with our drawing. First, fold the paper and time to copy this. I'll pause it because it's kind of long, so you have to do. So also choose a pencil because I might do a mistake sometimes. So there's it. I'm almost kind of hard, but I'm still doing it. They say I'm almost. So yeah, it's kind of. So yes, they're filling. I'm using any cotton, but this one I'm using now. But I use a tons of different cotton, not only this. But yeah, you can also use this, but it's also soft. So time to put our cotton in our paper squishy drawing. Okay, so there's the cotton, and time to close it with tape. So guys, I won't squeeze it first because we got to wait for 1 hour so the squishiness can come. So yeah, we'll be back in 1 hour. Guys, so it's been 1 hour and I changed clothes. So yeah, so I already changed clothes. And it just been 1 hour, so it's already like, what time is it? 6:24. And let's go check our paper squishy. There's our paper squishy. Now let's see the texture. Oh my gosh. So nice. So nice and polarizing. It's not polarizing, but the texture when you squish it is so nice. Okay, so I'm liking this paper squishy now. But I'll show you a real 20 pesos bill in real life, not in the Google at your phone. So yeah, there's a real 20 pesos bill. And here is the paper squishy one. They don't really look the same. So yeah, I guess the real one still wins than the paper squishy one. But it's just creative, so yeah. So I'm liking this already. So it's like my favorite paper squishy. But I guess I have a tons of paper squishies there, and I have a tons of favorite paper squishies. But yeah, so here is it. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and please give this video a big like. So yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video. Peace out. Goodbye.